In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write square units in Microsoft Excel, perfect for beginners who are working with measurements like square meters, square feet, or square kilometers. Let's start with the most common and easiest method. Click on the cell where you want to type your value. For example, type the number first, such as 25, followed by a space, then type the unit, like M. After that, type the number 2. Now, highlight only the number 2, right-click on it, choose Format Cells, then check the superscript option and click OK. The number 2 will move up, giving you a proper square unit, like m squared. Another quick method is using a keyboard shortcut. Press Alt-0-1-7-8. This is one of the fastest ways to write square units once you get used to it. It's important to remember that square units typed this way are mostly for display. If you are using the cell for calculations, keep the numbers separate from the units. You can place the unit in another cell or use custom formatting so your formulas still work correctly. By using these simple methods, you can clearly and professionally display square units in Excel without confusion. This makes your spreadsheets easier to read, especially when working with areas, measurements, or reports. If this helped you, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more beginner Excel tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.